Hey everybody, this is Excel video 363. I'm Nate Moore. I'm still in Indiana. Today we had several meetings. We talked about clinic scheduling and how we can make that work better and how we can see things like x-ray and casting room demand coming and staff accordingly across clinics based on what kind of appointments are coming up, stuff like that. We talked about the value of a unique patient. How can we calculate it? How can we analyze it? We talked about more data we can get out of the EMR system. And the great question is, what would we talk about in a day in your practice? I'd love to find out. What we're going to do today is look at a similar set of data, future-based now. Excuse me, instead of future-based, we're going past-based. What I want to do is I want to say, I want to see the last time I saw a patient from a certain referring physician. And the formula is very, very similar to what we did last time. It's equals, instead of small, large. Works the same way. Large says, give me an array. And what we're going to do is Control Shift and the down arrow to get down to row 139. I'm going to lock that in with F4. From that array, tell me the largest amount. Now again, these are past appointments, so the largest amount is going to be my most recent referral, and the last referral I got is 41,633. I left this there to show you sometimes when you do a date calculation, you need to go in and tell Excel to format it as a date. So my last referral was on Christmas Day. You can tell these are random numbers. So that's my most recent referral in the system as I look down for 2013 referrals. Works the same way as small, and now what we're going to do is do the same kind of thing. Let's figure out, well, that 1225, who's that from, who's that to? Well, I don't know, so let's make this a little bit more informative. Let's do large again, and now for our array, what we want to know is if, and then the first test is it's got to be to Dr. Smith. So Dr. Smith is in the B column. Control Shift and down, F4, and we'll capture that. If that equals Dr. Smith, and I'm just going to F4 that in case we ever copy it. And then this is an AND condition again, so I'm going to multiply. And the other condition is it has to be from Dr. Tomatoes. Well, that's in column A, so Control Shift down, F4 that, has to equal. And I'm going to choose this cell here so I can change the cells as I go. F4 that. So that is my second condition. And then, I need to do one more thing. If all those are true, if this piece is true, times this piece is true, that's my condition. What do I do if it's true? I want the referral date. Control Shift and down. We'll F4 that just for general principles. And I've got my if statement built. Comma. Now I'm back to my array statement. What do I want? I want the most recent referral. The largest amount of past data is what I'm looking for now. So there's my formula. Control, Shift, and Enter. And then I've got to come back over here. We use the Format Painter to do this. And so 12.4 is my most recent referral to Dr. Smith from Dr. Tomatoes. If I say, well, what if I want to know, hey, what if I got one from Lime Juice? There's the date there. How long has it been since Lime Juice sent one to Dr. Lee? There isn't one. How about Dr. Black? There isn't one. But Dr. Ho, there is. So some docs are referring to different providers, and we can look at that with this large formula and an array. Stay tuned next time. What we're going to do is we're going to say, okay, if we find the last referral to Dr. Smith, and we want to know who it's from, the date of the referral, the location, the specialty, and all that, we can do all that with a series of formulas we'll talk about next time. Thanks for watching.